Hi, I'm Brian Marangi from Sandy Hook Yachts, and this is the 2023 228 Commander by Seafox. Come aboard. This 228 comes equipped with a 200 horsepower Yamaha outboard. It has your aquarium see-through live well for your bait. The Garmin screen right here. Electric Yamaha throttles. You have a removable ski pole for towing tubes or any kind of inflatable you want. Wakeboard, water ski, whatever you like. The 228 Commander has plenty of rod storage and places to put your fishing poles. Up above here, you have your rocket launcher. You got 2 spots on the starboard side, 2 spots here on the port side, and even 2 more places up in the bow on either side. In the bow, you have these backrests that fold out for extra comfort. And this 228 Commander comes in a beautiful Arctic blue. Come on down and see me, Brian Marangi, Sandy Hook Yachts, for further details.